Hey YouTube, this is FSG Kilmore, and right now we just gave a moth to a bunch of baby chickens. As you can see, we have some black chickens in there. Just had to point that out.
Notice how the black ones are gaining up on the white one?
This is awesome. Sorry, Dad.
Run, white chicken, run.
It's like football.
He's like Forrest Gump. And here comes the black one. Oh, look. Gangbang. Gangbang.
Watch him, like, kill that one for the damn moth. That'd be awesome. Whoa.
Three-way.
What the hell happened to it? Where's the moth?
Went in that corner. See him all pecking at it?
Oh, the black one got it. News alert, black one stole the moth. Notice how we didn't say that. Notice how we didn't say that about the whites? Just kidding. Blacks are cool. Whoa. Whoa, where'd it go? What the hell?
That one.
That one? Alright.
Just give him numbers.
I don't know how to
And Teriyaki has them on. And Shake and Bake are coming up quick.
Where did it go?
Oh, it's in the water now.
Hey, moths, you retards, it's in the water, you dumb shits. None of them realize it. Oh. Yeah, awesome. Oh my god.
Straight up steal.
White one got some skills.
Ouch.
How rednecks have fun. Gives moths to chickens and watch them and post them on YouTube.
This should become a sport.
This could be like, what's that movie called? Hunger Games.
One chicken will eat.
The rest will die off.
9 others shall die in its wrath.
8 others. Oh wait, no, there's 9. There's 10, huh?
Whoa, right through the middle.
Where'd they go? Retarded chicken. Don't drop it in the water again.
Yeah, the one they dropped it in the water for like a minute. Oh, straight up off the bat.
Your mom's gonna come and be like, what the hell are you guys doing? It's awesome. Alright, rate, comment, subscribe, talk to you later.